All right, Leo, quick walkthrough. Doc's spring open house and free pig roast, roasted by Dugan. Guys, people are craving for it. Let's take a walk through to see what's going on. We're about to serve. Oh, we got Tony here from the Rat Pack and Rich Biscuits. Don Mangini's here. Got Mike doing some work back there. I don't know what he's doing. His beard looks good though today.
How's it going, guys?
How's it going?
You see it though?
First time on YouTube.
Check out outside real quick. Girls in apparel. We got some dogs here. Okay. Nice. Hey, here he is. How you doing?
Good, yourself?
How'd that iron head come out?
Oh, it's good, yeah. It was Evo.
Oh, okay. Well,
no, runs like a top.
nice. Ironhead Evo. We do so many bikes, I forget. But I remembered him. How's it going, guys? Welcome. Thank you. Not a bad, it's chilly day. Nice turnout, some bikes. Oh, wow, we got some bikes over here. Huh, Leo? Everybody's parked on the road. Got some bikes in the bike show. Let's take a walk down, see what everybody's getting ready for that pig. That's hot. Got Lucky Beard product control in here. Guys, if you need to spruce up that beard, check them out. Exclusive riders are here. We got Marlene over here. She didn't bring a tent today. I hope she's staying warm. Spectrum oil. Sold out of our twin cam oil. What are they? Service kits. Guys, stop on down. We got kits. Cigars. Guys, local cigar company. Gotta check them out. Getting ready for the Don Lady, Connecticut Cruise News. He's hosting, he's sponsoring the bike show today. Oh, take a look at this. Getting the pigs ready. Starting to cut them up. Ready to serve. Got a little Doc in the house. Yeah, what up, little Doc? Mobile pub. Donuts, ice cream. Down there we got Dr. Dino doing some dyno tunes, tuning in the bike, making some noise. Guys, it's a beautiful day. We're about to serve the pig. What is it, like 12 o'clock? So if you're not, well, get down here if you can. Otherwise, we'll do a walkthrough later on. But Doc's Motorcycle Parts, 2026 spring open house and free pig roast.